Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys what's on my iPad and how I use my iPad for university and the application I have on my iPad. So firstly, let's try and do some unboxing, and let's pretend this is the first time I'm opening the iPad and the Apple Pencil. Let's just pretend, okay? So I'm using the first generation Apple Pencil, and I'm using iPad 7th generation. I think that's 2019 or 2020. I'm not so sure. I think 2019, but I bought 2020. So yeah, that's the pencil. Yeah, and this app first generation pencil just only supports I think the iPad 7th generation and some other iPad, but not all the iPads. Yeah, so let's see. I enjoy watching people unboxing videos on YouTube, so I'm thinking, okay, let's try and pretend, So that's it. When you open the box, this is how it is. Exactly, nothing else. So that's it. The charger. Yeah, showing you different angles, That's the charger and the cord. So yeah, this iPad is quite very good for students. I'm into notes and digital note taking, so I like to take notes with my iPad. So now I'll be showing you guys the application I use in med school. Hey, I'm in my final year of med school, so I have touch surgery application. This is basically for minor surgeries, like little procedures. Then also I have this application called ECG, I think. ECG, and I have prognosis. I have scrubbed. Prognosis is all about solving cases. ECG is just to learn the basic ECG. My ECG game is very low. I'm trying. Then YouTube, Instagram, Zoom, YouTube Studio. Yeah. Then also for editing, I have Canva, Goodnotes 5, and VLLO, which I use for editing. The Goodnote 5, oh my god, I love this application very much. Yeah, basically I have like my notes in here, cardiovascular gynae, my 2001 vision board and everything. So the good thing about this application, Goodnote 5, is you can take notes and even add in your own pictures. You can basically form your own notes, very easy. It's like, I don't know, it feels so real, like I'm writing on paper. The reason why I stopped taking notes with paper is because at the end of the day, I will just be looking for one particular note, and I won't it's like, where is this paper? So I decided to go for digital note taking. It's easy. In years to come, I will still be using this application, and yeah, I love it. Yeah, this cardiovascular, gynecology, different type of note taking in here. Like, I'm done with gynecology and obstetric. I'm working with cardiovascular system now. Yeah, so basically this is how you use the application. You select which type of what's the paper you want. We have different, even it for musical note taking, it's in here. Different types of note taking, it's inside this application, and you can choose the format, how you want it, colors. You can choose if it's landscape or portraits, and I think basically you can choose in another language also, but mine is English. So that's it, and you proceed. So yeah, you can choose how you want the pen to be, maybe ball or I don't know the other one. Then you can choose different colors and how you want the thickness, how you want it to be. It's so good. You don't have to be like professional in knowing to know how to use this particular application. Very easy. Yeah, You can erase, you can do so many. Just the application is bomb. I don't know what to say. I think it's not free. Goodnote 5 is not free. It's $8, 7.99. I don't know. I'm not so sure, but let's just round it to $8. But it's truly worth it. Like, yeah. So you can write in different fonts, different with different thickness and everything. Yeah, very easy. Don't mind my handwriting. This is my handwriting is like, this is how my handwriting is in the real life on paper. So that's it. But if you want to be extra, you want everything to be on straight line, you can choose the one you can choose the type of paper, like this thing to write, so it will guide you on how to write on straight line and everything. But I don't mind. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, let me show you a little bit of the ECG, just basic and the popular ECG abnormality. We have the neonatal ECG, pediatric ECG, different types. Yeah, I'm trying to learn. My ECG game is very low, very low. Then scrubbed, we have different cases, like try and solve medical cases and everything. And my games, I have Ludo and one game called Makala. I don't know. And I have Adobe. It's for like ebook and everything. I have different type of PDF medical books. I'm trying to prepare for my final exams. Yeah, basically. Yeah, this iPad is for my uni. Like, I don't even put in any other application, just for studying and for business. Then you can charge the pencil through the iPad, the ports, and it's very fast. I think within 10 minutes, it's like it can be full. Also, you can charge it through the charger, but that one is slow. So that's it. Yeah. In case anyone wants to download the application, I'll put it on the screen. You can see. Yeah, very easy. Goodnotes 5, it's very good. I know we have other application also for taking notes, Notability, I guess, Notability and others, but Goodnotes 5 is very good. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye.